Alright, so got a bit carried away. Alright, so figured I need to at least record some of this. So this is my new 2015 FRS. That's a salvage currently. Front end damage. Basically the whole bumper. And yep, hood, driver headlight, fog light seems somewhat okay. Fender is crushed, and yeah, so that's it for the most part. The rest of the car is in good condition, all things being. So not much worries around the back. This is the Lexus, my main daily driver. Might do some videos since I have a few stuff to do, including I need to change the brake pads, rotors, eventually change out the struts, but yeah, so eventually I'll record that. But for now, the summer project and beyond is the FRS. So got excited and started to take apart the fender and the front bumper just to get an actual idea of the damage. So I'll need to raise the car to fully release it, but hold on, let me move this back. Yep, so basically I need the whole front end. Well, yeah, few of the supports here from the fender. I'll need the whole radiator assembly. I should be fine with just the center as well as the driver's side, but just to play it safe, I'll get the whole front, because down here there wasn't any damage to the main brace bar, so that's good. No leaking from the wiper fluid box, so that's good. That means the damage wasn't that deep in. Few things needs to be changed on the front. Few pieces. Radiator seems okay. Won't be certain until I more or less take it out and see if it's actually working. Check the fans. But yeah, gearbox is damaged. Just check the car. It doesn't throw any check engine lights, which is good. But I'll still need to replace it, both the whole box more or less. Apart from that, I think for now, until I dig further down into it, that's the main thing that I need to take care of. Oh, and of course, I need a new hood. So I'll start to take it apart, and then I'll get a better idea of what I'm looking at to rebuild. I noticed while I was doing a test of the car just now, the tension pulley seemed a bit loose. Not familiar with this engine, so not sure if it's supposed to move like that, but yeah, I'll definitely check that out while I'm in there, and as well as spark plugs, and go from there. But yeah, I'll try to video most of it, but yeah, I'm sick. We'll see how that goes. 98,000 miles. Sadly, auto. Even though I was hoping for a manual to actually do that. That's locked. Yeah. Let's see. So inside, pretty clean. Missing the center console armrest. Got the laptop, repping for the Civic boys. But I have the TechStream software, which is what I used to do deep dive. So that's it. Alright, I'm doing a quick update, isn't it? So, alright, may I say fender off? No. Fender support off. So right here, so need one next bracket because the one there did mangled. So I'm gonna replace that. The main support frame undamaged. A bonnet latch or bonnet bracket, whatever, hinge. That a lot damaged, but order two for change it. This I did one bitch because oh, then keep it on and I just bolts weld them welded like 3 dots. So if like use this and chisel it off or drill it out, forget it for loose. So I'm gonna get that off, which connected to the radiator support when we just finally get off. Of course, me snap on bolt. So yeah, but top off, middle section off. So tomorrow, since McColla's bitch and sunset and run out of sunlight, go take out the bracket when we get the replacement and I guess test fit, but hopefully we can start replace this side. Take off this, disconnect all of this and take off it. Me reuse the radiator mount here, but I think the new one's supposed to come with new mounts installed, so hopefully. I'm not sure how I'm gonna go about here since you have to go get welded again. I might just cut it and then go and shop and then just weld it for me, or I can drill it and then use some bolts and just keep it in there. So since I know not much, but yeah, can find this out. Besides that, engine alright. I'm not sure. I'm thinking I would carry the damage. Snow. Did set up on the front part of the engine because the bonnet did go back. So I figured to snow did just settle here and rust the whole of front components. So it run fine. Come started up a few minutes ago. No squeaks or nothing, which good. The belt definitely need to change. But AC works, so I'm gonna need to change the compressor or the condenser. As AC did a blow cold. Washer fluid, take out a bottle. The tube need to replace, as in the filling tube, as well as the tube itself. We can go through to his windscreen. You have a couple holes in it, so I'm ordering a replacement. So I'm going to change that out. Hopefully a simple section behind here, so we just snap in a replacement and that good. But shit, yeah, but can't really see. Coming to turn on the flash, but no damage on the main support beam, which is good. It's a 5 feet reuse. This rusty section, it would have good for replace it, but that would have mean would probably have to remove the radiator for get to 2 screws to take it out. so far like a hole, but the rusty, and probably if I torch it, I'm pretty sure them both they go snap. So this side, if you see, no damage, but I probably have to go change this column. Hopefully not. Made one test fit with the new support and then determine, because this mount's still in, but I probably change it just to be safe. Alright, so we get the front on, shimmy it round. Shake it still, cause whatever. But fender end up bend right so, and it bend here so, wall is up in slightly telecast away. Yes, grip. So fitment not horrible for gap, but yeah, man, that can't work. So if I wait and see how we go. But, yeah, disconnect battery. Can't do this. Boy, take down this. So, test fit. Fender definitely damaged. Fitment not that off. I'm not bolted yet. I have stuff with it, but still. Not that bad. So, we'll see.